Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au with Reuben and
Oscar.
But today we're coming at you from Little Coin Shop, littlecoinshop.com.au. And we've got a bit of an unboxing, bit of a restock of items. I've got some boxes there. We probably won't delve into today, but I have set aside that one for us to chop into because I think it's some Christmas goodies. So if you grab the knife, Oscar,
Absolutely, Reuben. Let's get right into this.
let's tear in.
Christmas is coming up, so
It is. You know it's really coming because they've now put up the Christmas decorations along Collins Street.
have they?
Yeah, if you look up in the trees, they've got their little Christmas tree baubles hung up already, so you know that it's well on the way.
Oh well, clearly I don't get out much.
They're up in October, so you know they're pretty keen. But you know,
Have you noticed that? It's very strange.
I think it's because we don't have kind of Thanksgiving to kind of to have that little holiday in the middle like the Americans do. What do we got?
Oh man, I'm excited.
You're taking a peek before everyone else gets to see.
I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm scared. Are you ready for this?
I'm so ready. What do we got? Some coins and cards.
Oh, wow, these are actually really nice. Season's greetings.
Fantastic. Nice little pop of colour on there.
I really like the Simpsons collections, especially the ones that come in the cards. Just the design of all the characters on it, it really just speaks to you, and you can always look for who you like and whatnot.
Yeah,
but also enjoy the coin itself. That's unique. Oh wow, the obverse is exactly the same as usual. So that's all right.
It's all right. I'll get a shot there of the other side so people can have a bit of a read if they'd like.
What are your thoughts, Reuben? Talk to me.
I like them. This is one of those ones I think that I'll have to again double check, but they often will do the coins in a card for release in Australia, and sometimes they'll do the coins kind of by themselves for release for around the rest of the world. So it's kind of nice to have a little bit more of a unique product to have. Yeah, the only issue with them is you got to have somewhere nice and secure to put them, because you do have to worry about that card as well.
But they are exclusive, aren't they?
Yes.
Well, very good. And, you know, these are great for your own stack or a beautiful Christmas present.
That's it.
Very exciting stuff. So, should we move on to the next
Yeah,
item?
we've got another couple of boxes there. Now, I have actually pulled these ones out of their bigger box already, so I actually had a sneaking suspicion as to what they already are.
Enlighten us, Reuben, or should we just wait?
Let's get into it.
We'll get some sound effects going here. What do you reckon?
Yeah, all right. What do we got?
Oh. Look at this.
So this is one of the cases that Perth Mint do. Now they've done, and LCS has had before, some of their lunar cases. So the idea being that you kind of collect, you know, one a year of kind of whatever metal the case is, and you kind of build up the collection of all of them. But this one is a bit more of a generic one. So you can decide what you'd like to collect in there and put in there. So give it an open up from there.
I was browsing LCS the other day, and it seems as though they sold out on the last ones. Is that true?
I think we're now out of the lunar one, so it'll be.
So what does that say about these? If you want one, you got to be quick, or
yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that it'll be good to have this one as a bit more of just a, you know, that's it. You get to choose and decide what you want to fill it with.
Love it. And there's a protective. What is it? Strip of plastic on it.
Michael goes for calling it the sound effect of the protective on top there. So I don't know if that's his technical term.
Okay. We're gonna put this back. Don't you worry. Put this to the side. These are great also. What, can you get in them? You can indeed.
You get
little pouches.
Nice little felt pouches in there.
What should we call it? The kangaroo slip.
I'm gonna say
I'm coining that phrase from now.
You're in on the ground floor. You get to make it up.
All right. How do I get this out?
Should just kind of come off the if you peel it off a little bit.
Peel it, you say?
Yep.
It's a bit harder with. Oh, there we are.
There
Oh man.
And you can see the spots there to house the coins beneath.
And is this silver or gold?
This is silver. I think
is.
this one is the half ounce. Now they actually designed this case for the James Bond subscription series that they were doing. But it fits whatever half ounce Perth Mint silver coins you have.
Incredible. So how many spaces do we have here? What? 2, 4, 4. Got 26.
Fantastic.
Yeah, good math.
So I think, like I said before, I think that should do the total of the James Bond series. But you know, again, you can fill it with whatever. And hiding under there, I won't get you to grab it out. But we also do have the 1 ounce as well.
Oh, really? So
Yep.
we're not opening that today, but just know it is there.
It is there.
Okay.
So exactly the same thing, but just with some different sized. Different size holes there. And we also have, that's it, some restocks of items. So we've got some more of the 2 kilo dragon and tigers. We've got some of the rectangular dragons. I think they're the 2021s. And we also have some more rotating charm coins. So head on over to littlecoinshop.com.au to check those out. We'll put some links in the description. And yeah, that's been Oscar and Reuben.
Thank you very much for watching.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.